Hello fitness enthusiasts, today we're diving into the incredible features of the Weight Bench Press, an adjustable workout bench perfect for your home gym. This bench is designed with a unique triangular stability structure and crafted from heavy-duty commercial quality steel, boasting an impressive weight capacity of 880 pounds to ensure your safety during intense training sessions. With 7 back adjustments, it caters to all your workout needs, targeting your chest, back, shoulders, legs, abdominals, and more. What sets this bench apart is its rapid folding capability, taking just 2 seconds to fold up without the hassle of loosening screws, thanks to its convenient handle and pin system. Comfort is paramount, and YAGUD delivers with upgraded backrests and seats made from high-quality waterproof PU leather, filled with soft foam padding for maximum comfort during extended workouts. Elevate your home gym experience with this versatile and reliable workout bench, designed to support your fitness journey every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.